In today's video, we're working on my 83 S10. It's actually a GMC S15, but that's besides the point. We're getting it to where the bed is on it. So stay tuned. We start with the frame. Alright, so I've welded a bit on the frame here and over there, on where there's a couple rust spots, where it's gone through. But anyways, I've started cleaning up the frame a bit, so we can get ready to paint it. So I've got some new shocks that I got. You can see them here. So I'll have to cut these off with an angle grinder because I tried with a socket and a ratchet, can't get them, so zip they go with an angle grinder. So we'll probably do that first, make some noise early in the morning. The sun is just over there. So let's get the cutoff disc. There, now onto the flap disc. Alright, well, take one good look at the frame because I'm gonna blow it off with the air line and then rag and gas and then start painting. Getting ready to start painting the frame here. You know, it's not a show truck.
This is a show car.
Definitely, you can clearly tell it's a show car.
Yep.
You know, so it'll be fine. Just slap a coat of paint on it, and then it should be good.
Only got 3,000 miles driving by grandma.
Anyways, we'll get into it. We'll see you once we've got some paint on it. Oh my goodness. Alright, we've got a little bit of paint on it now. Almost used the whole can, not just here but also on the box. But yeah, so I guess just keep plugging away at it. Hopefully it looks good and doesn't fall off in a year or two. Anyways, we'll catch you back when there's a bit more done. And there it is. Most of the thing it's pretty much all painted. Got barely any paint left, so I might get another can, do another coat, and I'll have to do some more on the box. But anyways, this is how this looks. Did a bit on the tank there. So then probably after lunch, once this dries a bit more, throw on the shocks. Because right now it's really bouncy. But anyways, you'll see here a before and after shot. So yeah, on the box, if you can see this, if you can see that, it's pretty much painted except for the back half, and then I think I'll do another coat on everything else. Anyways, I probably have to do something about that, maybe fiberglass that, and then I'll fiberglass maybe in the wheel wells. But this side, no, not this side, but the other side, there's some like that. Rusted through. Anyways, that's where we're at now. And also on the truck, the coil went out the other day. I was just idling for 2 minutes, and it shut off, and no spark. So maybe go see if Napa has one of them. They do online, so locally cheap anyways. So we might do that. Okay, so it's a while later, and the box is on it. It's bolted down all around. You can see here, cab corners, done. See how I did them here, the start to finish? And the underframe, you can see, all nice and minty. All the cross members painted. The underside of the box has another coat on it. And the inner fenders also, and the sides of the box. And you can see I have the taillight wiring all in there pretty much. Just need to hook up the ground. And you can see the back of the cab is painted, and the back of the box is also painted, as you can see. I've done fiberglass in here where there's all rust holes, and my made blocks there, you can see they're actually a little tiny bit higher, so it's maybe an 1/8 inch body lift or a 1/4 inch body lift. So anyways, whatever. So it has a decent stance now, as you can see from this picture. Anyways, been driving it around a little bit, took it around the block. It's running. We got a new ignition module in it, and along with the new coil, and it's running. Just turning it around so I can work on painting the inner fenders and all that, so it's the right way around in the driveway. Anyways, there it is. Catch you back when we get home. Yes, it definitely has plates. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that part. About the driving it part. Don't worry about that. Here's this side. All nice and minty like. Couldn't you tell that the line was right there where it was welded? I can, but other people said it looks good. Obviously need to put that in. But here, that was all clapped, so I fixed that. Some good old Bondo. You won't see that. Don't worry about that. Figured out the high beams, and also the dash lights. Need to replace some of them, so we'll figure that out. Then next will be the rocker panels. Fix up the inside of the doors. Do some rust check on that. Rockers, and then bottom of the fenders, and then sand and paint the inner fender wells and the control arms. There's a tiny rust spot on the control arm there, if you can even see that. Probably can't, but other than that, that's what I'll be doing, hopefully driving it this summer. So that's all I have for you. If you enjoyed this kind of video, you want to see more of my truck, click over here, watch that one. Then click another video over here, you might be interested, and click subscribe in the middle. Until next time, have a nice day. Goodbye.